am a merchandising and marketing major here at FIDM, and I am currently working for a really big influencer running his brand social media account. So the first thing in my application process, I actually connected with an admissions advisor, which was great, and I loved it because I got to establish a personal connection with someone at FIDM right away, which kind of gave me more confidence to keep the application process going. We first connected through email, which then turned into meeting in person, and that's how everything kind of got started. So after meeting with my advisor, the next step was to go to the website and go to the How to Apply page to start my application there. From there, you just fill out the application form, and it's just a few basic questions, and you pay and save, and then you hit the submit button to submit your form. To complete my application process, I submitted my admissions essay, my transcripts, a couple references, and my favorite part being the entrance project. I got to express my creativity and style 5 different looks and kind of piece them all together. It was super fun. So my final step was scheduling an interview with an admissions officer, which was awesome in solidifying my major choice, and also we discussed my future career goals, and it really just gave me the confidence going into FIDM and got me really excited to start. The application process is really not as scary as it seems. Your admissions advisor will help you with everything, I promise, and it's worth it 100%. And I can't wait to see you guys on campus soon.